How to turn off two-factor authentication on X app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on your X account. To do so, first of all, open your X application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on it and then from the side menu, at the bottom you'll be able to see settings and support option. Tap on it and at the bottom you'll be able to see settings and privacy option. Tap on settings and privacy. And in the settings page, here look for security and account access option. Once you find it, tap on it and inside it, here you'll be able to see the option security. Tap on security. By doing so, you will be taken to the security page. Under it, here you'll be able to locate two-factor authentication option. Here tap on this two-factor authentication. And once you tap on it and inside it you will be able to view your current two-factor authentication settings. At the right side of these options you will be able to see the toggle button. Here look for the option to turn off or disable two-factor authentication. Here you will be able to see various methods of two-factor authentication. If any one of these is turned on, you will be able to see a blue toggle at the right side of them. Here in this page, I can see authentication application turned on. That means I have turned on two-factor authentication via authentication application. Now simply tap on this toggle button at the right side and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to tap on this turn off button right here. By doing so, you will see you have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your Twitter or X account. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off two-factor authentication on your X account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.